You remember when many people were complaining that Checkers 60 minutes delivery services mostly hires illegal immigrants, or rather immigrants, right? Because they were complaining that only like 23% are South Africans from the whole 9,000 drivers, only 23%. Well, Checkers has announced that from 23%, now 30% of the drivers that drive on 60 minutes delivery services will be South Africans. So I guess that's a victory. News 24 Business says that 30% of almost 9,000 Checkers 60 minutes drivers are South Africans, up 7 percentage points from last year when they were up 23%. But the JSE listed retailer is still battling to retain the local riders, saying they have close to double the turnover of those other African countries. CEO Peter Engelbrecht says this is because South Africa does not have a motorcycle culture. What does motorcycle culture have to do with me making money? If I'm hungry, I will ride that bike. So this is just an excuse from Shoprite so that they can take advantage of immigrants, because we know South Africans will fight for their rights and immigrants will just go along with anything. Even if they rip them off when it comes to salaries, they'll just take it, right? So, but anyways, they're saying that the group is also working hard to improve the driver safety behavior, saying it acts decisively against those who flout company and traffic rules. So yeah, man, I guess it's an improvement. 23%, 7% nyana, but we all know that most South Africans would like these guys from Checkers and Shoprite to hire at least 99% South Africans to drive these motorcycles. But yeah, anyways, that's it for now.